This video is about using nihao as a greeting. Nihao has two main functions: as a greeting to say hello to someone, and to get a person's attention by saying hello before asking a question or making a request. The limitations of nihao. Nihao is a greeting used for peers. However, for strangers, elders, and people with a higher level of authority, such as managers, teachers, bosses, a different greeting should be used. This greeting is nihao. To use the wrong greeting would be considered impolite. It would be like saying hi to the Queen of England. So how should nihao be used? Nihao should be used at the beginning of an interaction, the same as how we say hello in English. You can say nihao followed by the person's name. Alternatively, you can say the person's name followed by nihao. For example, nihao Jason. Jason, nihao. Or finally, you can say nihao without the person's name. Pronunciation. The pronunciation of nihao is a little bit deceptive. It is 2 third tones or low tones. Together, 2 low tones becomes a second tone, a rising tone, and a third tone, a low tone. This is to make it easier to say. So for example, instead of saying ni hao, 2 low tones, which is very, very difficult, we would say ni hao, which is far more easier to say. Here are some examples of Chinese people saying ni hao.
Hello, 你好。你好，你好，你好，你好。
Hello，你好。那不用，什么都不用，随便。
So that just about wraps up the video. There are 3 things to remember in regards to nihao. Remember to use it at the beginning of your interactions. When speaking to somebody of a higher level of authority, such as a teacher, a manager, a boss, or an elderly person, or even a stranger, a different greeting, nihao, should be used instead as a sign of respect. And finally, 2 third tones in a single word is always pronounced as a second tone, a rising tone, and a third tone, a low tone. So instead of saying ni hao, which is really difficult, we say ni hao. Thank you for watching the video, and good luck in your studies.